Hello there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle, where we post daily lessons, stories, and insights on the law of attraction and manifestation, and how you can use them as a skill to live out the life of your dreams. In today's video, we're talking about how to use the power of nature to manifest anything. Are you tired of feeling stuck and unable to manifest your desires? By harnessing the power of nature, you can turn your dreams into reality and manifest your desires. Nature's vastness and beauty can profoundly impact your perspective and shift your focus away from your daily concerns toward the universe's endless possibilities. By becoming receptive to the stillness and silence of nature, you can tap into your highest potential and unlock your ability to manifest. Imagine standing next to the Grand Canyon. This natural wonder's sheer size and scale is overwhelming, and seeing something so large and vast can truly put things into perspective. Suddenly, your big dreams and aspirations that once seemed unattainable shrink compared to this magnificent masterpiece of nature. The Grand Canyon reminds us of the endless possibilities that exist in the universe. It encourages us to dream even bigger and reach for the stars. The feeling of smallness in the face of such greatness can be liberating, freeing you from the constraints of self-doubt and inspiring you to chase your wildest dreams. So suppose you're feeling stuck or uncertain about your path. In that case, admiring nature's beauty might just be the boost of inspiration and perspective you need to get back on track and manifest your desires. Nature can bring us peace and calm, allowing us to tap into a meditative state that grounds us and raises our vibrations. When we connect with nature, we can quiet our minds and be fully present at the moment, free from the worries and stress of the modern world. This meditative state allows us to become more receptive to the guidance and wisdom of the universe, which can ultimately lead to manifesting our desires. By becoming receptive to the stillness and silence of nature, we can tap into our highest potential and unlock a vitality and freedom that is often suppressed by our daily worries and tumultuous emotions. In this peaceful state, our minds and hearts are open, and we can connect with the universe in a more profound, more meaningful way. This connection raises our vibrations and helps us align with our desires, making it easier for us to manifest what we want in our lives. So if you're looking to raise your vibrations and manifest your desires, take a moment to connect with nature. Whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the mountains, or simply sitting and observing the world around you, allowing yourself to become receptive to the power of nature can profoundly impact your manifestation efforts. Get grounded, quiet your mind, and let the universe guide you towards the life you desire. Nature can remarkably accept and support all forms of life, regardless of their differences, from the tallest trees to the tiniest flowers. Each manifestation of life is celebrated and embraced uniquely. Just as the field of flowers is a diverse display of beauty, with each blossom possessing its own individual shape, color, and fragrance, we are also encouraged to embrace our own unique qualities and gifts. By accepting the comfort and support of nature, we allow ourselves to let go of self-doubt and become more confident in our own abilities. The non-judgmental and accepting energy of nature helps us see the beauty in our uniqueness, just as it sees the beauty in each flower in a field. So next time you're feeling uncertain about yourself or your abilities, take a moment to connect with nature and let its accepting energy uplift and inspire you. Whether taking a walk in a park or simply sitting and observing the world around you, the beauty and diversity of nature can remind you of your extraordinary worth and encourage you to embrace your unique qualities. Nature not only provides comfort and acceptance, but it also teaches us valuable lessons about growth, change, and trust. Like a seed that must make the leap to become a tree, we too must be willing to embrace our own growth and evolution. Even if we don't fully understand the path ahead, the beauty of nature is that it reminds us of the incredible potential with each and every one of us, and that change is inevitable. Just like a tiny seed, we have unique capabilities and values that make us a unique manifestation of life. We should embrace our individuality and celebrate our uniqueness. Nature teaches us to celebrate change and trust the universe has a plan, even if we don't understand it. So let nature remind you to trust in the journey of manifesting your desires. Embrace the changes in your life and celebrate the unique person you are. Trust that the universe has a plan and that the changes in your life will lead you toward your greatest potential. We hope this encourages you to use the power of nature to manifest anything you desire. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.